Hi everyone, my name is Nicole. Today I touch on a very important topic. The topic's on interrater reliability. What is interrater, or people call it intercoder reliability? It's a degree of agreement on data collected by different raters. And the next question, usually people will ask, why is intercoder reliability important? That is to establish the consistency and the validity of the research findings. It means that your data finding will be more reliable. It establishes the credibility of the data. Let's talk about the process of coding. How to actually start to have an interrater task. At first, you must look for at least 2 independent raters to code, excluding the researcher herself or himself. You have to find 2 persons that will code independently. Of course, the questions I always receive is, should the coder code everything? As for a large scale of research, coder may just analyze 25% of the entire content. For a smaller scale of research, coder needs to analyze and code everything. After each coders have done their part, and all the coders, including researcher, come together to combine or converge all codes done. Of course, it may need cleaning because everyone coding with a different style, using a different terminologies, so we need a mass cleaning and come up with a final list of codes later to be carried on to this interrater reliability test. You may also need to come up with a codebook after you have a final list of codes. A codebook means you have a list of codes with the definitions and examples from the transcript. We call it excerpt. You can just come up with one excerpt out of so many people are talking about the same thing, let's say. How to assess interrater reliability? The simplest way for 2 raters reliability test is to Cohen's Kappa. You just need to calculate the Kappa statistic. So Kappa measure of the adjusted agreement. Adjusted agreement means after all the researchers and the coders come together, they agree on the list of codes. That is adjusted codes. So we measure the agreements among the coders' binary outcome, whether they have seen the codes or the meanings in the transcript itself. This is the formula to calculate kappa, the value of K, where 1 minus 1 minus PO, PO is the relative observation agreement among raters, and divided by 1 minus the PE. The PE is the hypothetical probability of the chance agreement. At last, let's interpret the Cohen's kappa. So the values ranging from 0 to 1. 0 means totally no agreements, and 1 means a perfect agreement. Of course, the question I always reserve is, what value of the Cohen's kappa is deemed acceptable for a research? Look at the chart. I would say the value must above 0.6. So 0.6 is a good margin, where above 0.61 to 0.8 is you have substantial agreement, and of course the best you have almost perfect agreement when you have the value of k 0.81 to 1. But above 0.61 you will have find a substantial agreement. So the margin, the benchmark, you will keep it at 0.6. That's the end of the introduction to interrater reliability. Remember, establishing an interrater reliability adds credibility to your research. Most of the times, you will be challenged probably by the Viva assessors or the examiners. How reliable is your findings, and is it valid? Think about it. All right, bye-bye. So do remember to subscribe to my channel and give a thumb up. Bye.